In this video, we will show you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy S21 that won't send MMS. Powerful smartphones, like the Galaxy S21, shouldn't have problems sending and receiving picture messages or MMS. However, there seem to be some users who aren't able to send text messages with emojis or attachments. So, if you're one of them, here's what you should do. First solution, make sure mobile data is enabled. Your phone must be connected to your provider's cellular data network to be able to send and receive MMS. So the first thing you have to do is to check if the service is enabled on your device. To do so, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Look for the mobile data icon, and if it's not enabled yet, tap on it. However, if it's already enabled, tap on it to turn it off, and after a few seconds tap on it again to re-enable it. After doing that, try sending an MMS to your own number to see if it goes through and if you can actually receive it. Second solution, force restart your phone. Another possibility is that such a problem can be due to a pretty minor firmware-related glitch or issue. That's why if the first solution fails, the next thing you need to do to try and fix your phone that can't send MMS is to do the forced restart. It will refresh the memory and reload all services. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to finish the boot process. After the reboot, try to see if your Galaxy S21 can now send an MMS. Third solution, reset the network services. After doing the first 2 solutions and your phone is still not able to send picture messages, then you should try to reset the network services. It's possible that some of the services stopped working. Simply bring back their settings to their default values and the problem can be fixed. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset to view the reset options. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings, and if prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed with the network settings reset. After resetting the network settings, try sending an MMS to your own number and see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution, call your service provider. If the previous solutions fail, then the problem can be with your account, or there can be a network issue or outage going on. What you have to do next is to call your service provider and report the problem. If it's just a minor account issue, the representative should be able to help you retain the service. On the other hand, if it's a network problem, then you'll be advised as to when the problem will be resolved. Service issues aren't really that serious, you just have to perform some basic troubleshooting procedures, and if the problem persists you must ask for help from your service provider. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.